When Ogvan and Tagawi met at church, they became instant friends because of their shared love for ministry. Over time, their love for ministry eventually expanded into a love for each other.
We've been married almost 8 months now.
The first thing that attracted us to each other was that we had the same goal and the same dream.
Their shared goal was to make ministry a focal point in their lives. So when the opportunity came, Ogvan and Tagawi jumped at the chance to become global mission pioneers. They dream of starting a congregation of new believers in the Nornak neighborhood of Yerevan, Armenia's capital city. Yerevan is the largest city in the country with more than 1 million people and just over a third of the country's population. People here are busy, and it can be difficult to make connections.
Recently, people have started living more lonely lives, separated lives. Before, doors to people's homes were open, but now every house has gates. No one can get inside. So it's difficult to get in touch with people.
Ogvan and Tagawi plan to model Christ's method of ministry by mingling with people, showing sympathy, ministering to people's needs, winning their confidence, and finally inviting them to follow Jesus. One of the ways they will do this is by organizing group activities for their community.
In Armenia, a lot of young people want to learn new languages, especially English. This helps them find a good job and develop their career. That's why we're going to organize an English club for youth and kids.
This young couple is just weeks away from starting their new roles as global mission pioneers. They haven't begun the work yet and are counting on your prayers.
We would like people to pray for our wisdom. We want to have wisdom that will help us understand what to do in each situation. And please pray for the people we will meet.
I ask that you pray for us, because missionary work can be hard sometimes. We might stumble along the way, so prayers for our continued service.
Thank you for all you do to send global mission pioneers like Ogvan and Tagawi to places that need them most. Your support helps this work continue to the ends of the earth.
Thank you for supporting Global Mission.